Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to add service locations to a client contract, as well as how to identify one of them as the default service location for that contract. On the main client screen in NPAWorks, double-click on the client's name. That client record will open. Next, ensure that the Resides with Client box is checked on the Personal tab next to the appropriate client contact. This box is located directly under the Relation to Client dropdown. Next, go to the Contracts tab. On the bottom left of the Contracts tab, you will see a field called Service Locations. This is where you can choose physical addresses where the services on this contract can be rendered. To add locations to this section, simply click the icon with the green plus sign in the top left corner of the Service Locations box. A window titled Add a Service Location will appear. At the top of this screen, you can select the office that you would like to pull your service location address from. Once you've selected the correct office, select the type of location that you would like to choose. For home-based services, you should select Guardian/Contact. For clinic-based services, select Office/Agency, and so on. Once you've selected the correct office and type, you can always type a name or keyword into the Look For box to narrow your search. Once you find the correct service location, simply highlight it and click OK. Back on the Contracts tab, the selected service location will appear in the Service Locations box. You can always click the green plus sign again to add multiple locations to this contract. Once your locations have all been added, make sure to select which location should be the default service location by checking the Default box. This means that this location will automatically populate onto each appointment linked to this contract. Please note that you can only have one default location on each contract. Your default location should be where you most frequently provide services to this client. In the event that the service location for an appointment is not that of the default location, you can always open the appointment screen to edit the service location. Simply click the icon directly to the right of the Location field to see a list of service locations that have been assigned to this contract. Highlight the appropriate location and click OK. In the case where a staff member is looking to select a service location that has not been added under the Service Locations on the Contract tab, they can always type the address directly into the Location field on the appointment. Once the address has been manually entered, the service location code must also be selected from the drop-down box directly to the right of the Location field. Once you've made any additional changes to the appointment, click OK to save and close. If you have any questions on adding service locations to appointments, setting a default service location, or changing the location of an appointment, please contact the NPAWorks support team at 877-796-9883 or via email at support@codemetro.com.